Hey guys, it's Hunter from BHA Tech, and today we're going to be reviewing this mic I have on, the MAONO lavalier microphone. It's one of the mics that obviously it clips on. It allows you to use it on your smartphone and just plug it right in, and then you have something for vlogging or interviews and stuff like that. And it works, I think, perfect for that. And you're going to see in this next segment the unboxing, which is kind of standard. That's kind of how we're going to do things on this channel. There are going to be certain segments for things. So we're just going to hop right into that. So we're here in the unboxing portion of the MAONO lavalier microphone, and we'll just get into it. It should be quite an easy unboxing if I can get the box open. Let's just go from the bottom maybe. Oh, is there... Ah, yes, it slides out. Alright, this is my first time actually opening this. Alright. Pretty standard. It's in there. Let's see here. So we get some stuff, just a little review card, we don't need that. User manual, you probably don't need that either, you just throw that away. You know, USB, I'm not a big fan of this USB cable, but they break really easily, but they are usable and they're not terrible, so it's okay. And you got a little carry case, feels pretty quality, it's not bad. Alright, we'll move that away. Now let's get right into the portion here. What is this? Do not eat this. Okay, now we know. Let's just pull it out here. There's your little clip. And your little pop filter thing. So it just goes on like this. Just in. Easy peasy. Seems alright. Mic feels pretty quality. Cable's a little on the thinner side, but besides that, it seems pretty good. Yeah, this is your little power box. There you go, now it's on, now it's off. And you have your little adapter from regular 3.5 to 6.25 millimeter. That's pretty much all you get in the box. Initial impressions, feels pretty quality. This is metal. Feels pretty good. The mic itself has a little bit of weight to it. Feels pretty good as well. The clip seems to have a good amount of spring. And it feels pretty quality as well. And all in all, pretty good. So I'm now using the MAONO lavalier microphone. In the unboxing you saw the packaging. It seems all pretty quality. The mic seems like decent build quality. And it comes with that 6.5 millimeter or 6.25 sorry millimeter adapter for whatever you may need that for. And all in all, I think the audio quality is quite good, but we will do the Discord test, and so you can hear what your friends hear, just in case you want to use it for streaming, which I think would be a great budget entry-level streaming mic. So yeah, we'll just hop right into that. 1 going up cat, 2 going out long, last guy's mid. Now that you heard the Discord test, we can jump right into the audio step-up level test, where we do the different levels and see when you can hear me and kind of gauge how good the preamp is. And then we'll hop right into the distance portion, where I get to roll back in my chair. Alrighty, we will do the quick and dirty volume test. So this is at 100. And then we will drop it down to like 10%, and then we'll see when you can hear me, and I'll throw a mic boost on at like 10 decibels as well. This is at 10. This is at 20. This is at 30. This is at 40. This is at 50. This is at 60. This is at 70. This is at 80. This is at 90. This is 100. And then mic boost. So let's do 10 decibels and that's it. And this is with an extra 10 decibels of mic boost. So yeah, it seems usable at anything between 60 and like 80 for me personally. because after that it has way too much white noise that it picks up in the background for it to be quality. I don't know if you guys heard it, but when I was listening back to it earlier, I did. So that's just my opinion, and your mileage may vary on that one. So now we'll just jump into the distance portion of the video. I wasn't going to do this because it is a clip-on mic. It's not necessarily designed to be used like this. This is definitely not the use case for it, but you know, I could see people like clipping it on to something nearby instead of their shirt and using it. So if you want to do it like that, you'll know how it's going to sound when you're back, whatever. And how other people will pick up at certain distances, of course, too. So we'll just hop right into that. I got the mic mounted right here, as you can see, on my shock mount, and we're just going to do arm's length and then like 2 arm's length. So that is 1 arm's length. And that is probably just about 2 arms length. So I won't know how that sounds till after, but I'm sure it sounded at least okay. All in all, I think it's a very good value. As you heard, it sounds very good. It's pretty crisp for the price point. It comes in at $25.99 USD or $30 Canadian. And in that case, it's very competitive with a lot of cheaper microphones because, like, we reviewed the IKUS microphone in the last video here, and this mic is definitely much more quality than that one was. It's a lot more crisp. Not to mention, it's only $5 more, and it is a lot more portable. You can clip it on to your shirt or whatever, wherever you want to clip it on. Doesn't matter. It's just going to work. It's going to do its job. It's got pretty good build quality, and it has the little box here that you got to charge up. So it means you can, once it's charged, that means it has, I think, a built-in preamp in here type of thing. So it delivers superior sound quality, which to me makes it a very good value. I like it a lot, and I'm going to be holding on to it and using it for unboxings in the future. Because it is a big upgrade in comparison to a phone microphone, which you'll be able to hear in the unboxing portion, so your own ears can compare the quality between the two. So yeah, that's basically it. Pretty quick review. There's not a lot of bad things about it. You can't say much bad about it at this price point. It's just a pretty good, solid all-rounder. It'd be very good for someone starting like on a very strict budget on Twitch or something. If you want to do that, or podcasts, or not podcasts, sorry, vlogs. If you want to do vlogs, it's very good for that as well. So if you like this video, we're going to have another video coming out this week. Next time, no more mics for a minute. Next video will not be a mic one. It's going to be the Deep Cool Gamma Max, which is a $25 enthusiast aftermarket cooler, versus the AMD Box Wraith cooler, and we're just going to go with that. That's going to be the next video. We're going to compare the two and see if it's worth the upgrade to something a little more, considering it's on like the bottom end. It's like the bare minimum that you have to spend to get something that's aftermarket. So again, we're going to find out if it's better, if it's easy to install, if it's actually quality product. So that's what we're going to be doing in the next video. Probably be out on Thursday, Friday, I'd say. Might be a bit earlier, but I'd say one of those dates. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, let's have a discussion, talk about the microphone, talk about if you're excited about the next video. But anyways, I'm Hunter from BHA Tech, and I will catch you in the next video.